out! OMG! All are winners. Magkakaano si Consul neto? Problem. Lahat panalo.
But we will just be
announcing the champion and the silver, the gold and the silver.
So we will start with the champion of the caroling competition, right?
Yes.
So we have already here the prize. Can you give it to... Yes. Yes. Our winner for the caroling competition, champion with an average score of 96.16. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, FFOC! And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the parole exhibit competition.
Silver awardee.
Yes, to the honor, Adi.
Yes. Are you now ready, guys? Our parole exhibition 2024 silver awardee is garner an average of 91.87%. Is from Power!
Parol na yan, parol na.
Sino?
Parole number...
Yes,
Number 1.
number 1.
Silver.
Super. Ayan, congratulations, Power. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the parole exhibition 2024 champion. Ladies and gentlemen, with an average score of 92%. Let us all congratulate Kalinga!
Oo, punta kayo!
Please on stage yung ating gumawa dyan. Ayan.
Blue. Yung blue. Made from recycled, 90% recycled and 10% commercialized.
Okay, so allow me also to read this plaque of appreciation. This is from the Search for Miss Calendar Girl 2024. This is plaque of appreciation to Honorary Consul of the Philippines, Lorna Cyprus, none other than Honorable Charmaine Garcia Laconico. President Loida, please be with, ayan. Okay.
So we have also the certificate of all the participants, certificate of appreciation. This certificate is presented to the participant for participating in the caroling competition during the Paskong Pinoy 2024, given this 15th of December 2024 at Municipal Theater Larnaca, Cyprus. Signed, Charmaine Garcia Laconico, Consul Honorem Republic of the Philippines of Republic of Cyprus, Larnaca, Cyprus, and Ambassador Giovanni E. Palek, Ambassador of the Republic of the Philippines, the Philippine Embassy, Athens, Greece.
And we have also here the certificate of participation. This certificate is presented to for designing a unique parole for the parole exhibition, Paskong Pinoy 2024, given this 15th of December 2024 here at Municipal Theater Larnaca, Cyprus, signed by Charmaine Garcia Laconico, the Consul ad Honorem of the Republic of the Philippines of the Republic of Cyprus, Larnaca, Cyprus. and His Excellency Giovanni E. Palek, Ambassador of the Republic of the Philippines, the Philippine Embassy, Athens, Greece.
And this certificate is distributed for all the leaders of organization. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the organization who participated this event. Maraming salamat po.
Also, we will take the opportunity from the SOCNLC. Basahin ko na rin po. To the Ambassador of Republic of the Philippines in Greece and Cyprus, His Excellency Giovanni and Desha Palek SOCNLC wanted to express our sincere gratitude for your valuable support and guidance. Your expertise and insight have been instrumental in our success. Thank you from Ms. Eleanor D. Andres, the President of SOCNLC, given on the September 8, 2024 Larnaca, Cyprus. Ito po yung paper bag para hindi po mahirapan si Ambassador. Ito po. And the last one. Yes po. Kasi Pasko. Ayan.
Pasko, ang pagmamahal.
To the Honorable Consul Charmaine Garcia Laconico, SOCNLC wanted to express our sincere gratitude for your valuable support and guidance. Your expertise and insight have been instrumental in our success. Thank you very much from Eleanor D. Andres, President, given this December 15 here at Larnaca, Cyprus. Ayan, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po.
Ito na last na talaga. This is a Creative Award, Search for Miss Calendar Girl 2024 Larnaca, Cyprus, organized by Power Group, and the plaque of appreciations to Miss Elsie Cisco, given on the 27th of 8, 2024. So pakinisip po Master JJ para kay Manager Elsie. Thank you so much. Once again, congratulations, maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon! Sa kainan na po!
Maraming salamat po. This is Stephen Ice signing off.
Yes, we will be serving our snack outside. Marami pong dala ang ating mga kasama. Once again, thank you so much, Honorable Consul Charmaine Laconico. You made this day so possible. And this is Sor Perez signing off.
And to extend our gratitude to the winners, and they thank for the cash prize you have given to them. They are going to